If you've got kids and you're dreaming of a newer home in a great school district, but you don't want to totally blow your budget, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down the top 3 Wichita suburbs with the newest homes and the best schools. We'll talk real neighborhoods, what you'll actually get for your money, and what day-to-day life is like for families. And here's a little spoiler, we're going to be covering Belair, Maize, and yes, everyone's favorite, Andover. But stick around because the last one has some of the best schools in the entire state, and maybe even the highest price tag to match it. Hey, I'm Caleb Claussen, I'm a local realtor and dad of 3, and I help families like yours find the right spot to plant roots around Wichita. Whether you're relocating or just ready to move up in home or build a new house, I've got you covered. So what makes these 3 suburbs the top picks for families in 2025? We are looking for homes built in the last 10 years or just brand new builds in general, great public school ratings and strong local reputations, a safe, family-friendly feel with access to parks, splash pads, and activities, and easy commutes to jobs, shopping, and restaurants in Wichita. All right, let's kick things off with suburb number 1. We're starting with an area that a lot of people overlook, and that is Belair. It's just northeast of Wichita, and it's about 15 to 20 minutes from downtown. It's also right next to Koch Industries with quick access to I-135. Belair is actually growing really fast, especially in neighborhoods like Central Park, Rock Spring, Elk Creek, and the Highlands. You'll find a mix of spec and semi-custom new builds ranging anywhere from like $300,000 to over $500,000. School-wise, it's a little unique. The city pulls from both the Wichita USD 259 district and the Circle USD 375 district. Northeast Magnet High School is also a standout in the area. It's nationally ranked and known for science and law pathways, and just a short drive away is Sunrise Christian Academy, which offers a strong private K-12 option. Belair is also packed with great parks. There's Belair Park for ball fields and playgrounds, Quail Ridge Park for green spaces, and Eagle Lake Park, which features a 2/3 mile trail, volleyball court, play areas, and lake views. In Belair, you're also just minutes from Topgolf, Super Target, Dillon's, and great shopping and eats along Rock Road and Greenwich Road. Belair is perfect for families who want newer homes, great parks, and a tight-knit feel, with a budget that stretches further than places like Andover. Coming in at number 2 is Maize, and that is located on Wichita's fast-growing northwest side. It's about 20 to 25 minutes from downtown, and you're still in Sedgwick County, so no Butler County taxes, and you've got quick access to 96 and 235 for commuting. This area has completely exploded with new builds in neighborhoods like the Coves, Hampton Lakes, Barefoot Bay, Watercress, and the new fields at 119th. Homes typically run anywhere from $325,000 to well over $575,000, with popular features like lake lots, open floor plans, and walking trails. Schools are a major draw here because of the Maize USD 266 school district, which includes Maize High, Maize South, and the Maize Career Academy, which offers career-based learning in fields like aviation, health sciences, and engineering. And elementary and middle schools like Vermilion and Prairie Woodman are also highly rated. Family life in Maize is centered around Maize City Park, which has splash pad, playground, skateboard park, and picnic shelters. The Maize Rec Commission runs a wide range of activities and seasonal events like the Maize Fall Festival, which makes the community feel like home. Nearby spots include 13th and Tyler for shopping, New Market Square, and restaurants like Crumble Cookies, Dutch Bros, and Bricktown Brewery. So if you want newer homes, great schools, and a friendly suburban vibe, without going too far out, Maize checks a lot of the boxes. Hey, and real quick, if you're enjoying this breakdown, please hit that like button and drop a comment with which suburb you're leaning towards. I post new videos every week about Wichita neighborhoods, local events, and what it's really like to raise a family here. So if that's helpful to you, please consider subscribing. All right, last but definitely not least on the list is Andover. It's just 20 minutes east of downtown and less than 15 minutes to Costco, Target, and East Side shopping. Andover has some of the most desirable homes in the entire metro area, especially in neighborhoods like the Heritage, Cornerstone, Prairie Creek, the Highlands at Teradyne, and the newer villas at Montana Hills. Homes here range anywhere from about $375,000 to well over $750,000. And many offer custom finishes, larger lots, and walkable trails and neighborhood ponds. And the schools in Andover, which is USD 385, are some of the best in the state. Andover Central High is ranked among the top 10 in all of Kansas, and elementary options like Meadowlark, Sunflower, and Robert Martin are known for small class sizes, academic support, and active parent communities. And the district also leads in tech and college prep programs. As far as life in Andover, families love Andover Central Park and its splash pad, amphitheater, walking trails, and fishing pond. The Andover YMCA is one of the best around, and events like Greater Andover Days bring the whole community together. Andover really is the total package with great schools, beautiful homes, and a quiet, safe community vibe. Just be ready for slightly higher taxes to match that premium feel. Those are my top 3, but just a quick shout out to a few other suburbs that are worth considering. There's Goddard, which has fantastic schools, affordable new homes, and strong community events. There's Park City, which is budget friendly and growing fast, but school options are still developing in the area. There's also Derby, which is a bit longer commute, but a solid mix of schools, parks, and suburban charm. So how do you choose between the 3 suburbs that I covered? Here's how I help families think through it. If you prioritize top-ranked schools and don't mind paying a little bit more, Andover's a great choice for you. If you want a balanced option with great schools and solid value, look at Maize. If you need newer homes and short commutes without premium pricing, then Belair is the one you're gonna want. So if you're relocating or just making a move-up decision, I put together a totally free Wichita community guide that breaks down all the top suburbs like school ratings, price points, and parks and things to do in the areas, plus my personal tips from helping over 40 families move in the past year. You can grab it using the link below, and if you want help figuring out which area fits your family best, I'd love to chat. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.